All right, boys and girls, we're gonna do this fact practice. It seems like we need some practice with our ×3 problems. So we're gonna go over this together. Make sure you are reading the problems and the answers with me as we go through. And then on the next couple of slides, you will do the problems on your own. All right, everyone, get ready. 3 times 0 equals 0. Hang on. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 0 equals 0. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 8 equals 24. And 3 times 9 equals 27. Good job.